Hello student, from today onwards we will start new chapter number 11, alcohols, phenols and ethers compound. As we know, hydrocarbon means any organic compound which contain carbon and hydrogen element. That compound is called as a hydrocarbon. For example, methane CH4, ethane C2H6, etc. Now when hydrogen of hydrocarbon that replaced by hydroxyl group, then alcohol is obtained. Once again, when hydrogen of hydrocarbon is replaced by hydroxyl group, means OH group, then alcohol is obtained. Phenol, when hydrogen of benzene ring when hydrogen of benzene ring is replaced by hydroxyl group, then phenol is obtained. Third, ether, when hydrogen of hydroxyl group of alcohol or hydrogen of hydroxyl group of phenol is replaced by alkyl group or by aryl group, then ether is obtained. Once again, we have to take alcohol in which the hydrogen of OH group is replaced by another alkyl group, that is R. So we get ROR. It is called ether. And if we take phenol, then hydrogen of hydroxyl group of phenol is replaced by aromatic ring, then we get AROAR. It is also known as a ether. Here R tends to alkyl group, means methyl, ethyl, propyl, etc., while AR tends to aromatic ring, means benzene ring. Next topic, classification of alcohols and phenols. First one, aliphatic alcohol. Aliphatic alcohol means hydroxyl group is attached with aliphatic carbon chain. Hydroxyl group that attach with aliphatic carbon chain is called aliphatic alcohol. Here, aliphatic carbon chain means the carbon chain which do not contain benzene ring, whether it become a linear carbon chain or a branch carbon chain, but it do not contain benzene ring. Few examples are there: methanol CH3OH, ethanol CH3CH2OH, propane 2-ol CH3CH3, 2-methyl propane 2-ol CH3CH3, and OH on a second carbon atom. We have to give the number in a such a way that OH group that getting less number. Second classification, aromatic alcohol. OH group in side chain of aromatic hydrocarbon, then aromatic alcohol is obtained. In simple word, we can say that between benzene ring and OH group, alkyl group is present. Once again, between benzene ring and OH group, alkyl group is present, then it is called as a aromatic alcohol. But for example, we must write like this: when OH group in a side chain of aromatic hydrocarbon or a benzene, then it form aromatic alcohol. For example, phenyl methanol means benzene ring contain CH2OH. Next example, 1-phenyl ethanol CH3CHOH, on which CH carbon contain benzene ring. Next example is 2-phenyl ethanol and 2-phenyl propane 2-ol. Here, in a 1-phenyl ethanol, OH containing carbon that get first position, so we can get easily the name 1-phenyl ethanol. In the same way, in case of 2-phenyl propane 2-ol, OH group containing carbon get second number, so we took 2-phenyl, and total carbon is 3, hence it is propane. On second carbon OH group is present, hence it is 2-ol, means 2-phenyl propane 2-ol. Further classification of alcohol and phenols. Alcohol, first one, monohydric alcohol. means the alcohol which contain only one OH group. Mono means one OH group. Then it is called monohydric alcohol. For example, ethanol. Dihydric alcohol. Di means two. When alcohol contain two OH group, then it is called dihydric alcohol. For example, glycol or ethylene glycol. Third one, trihydric alcohol means alcohol which contain three OH group. For example, glycerol. And last one, polyhydric alcohol means more number of OH group is present in alcohol, then it is called polyhydric alcohol. For example, alditol, in which it contains 6 OH group. Next is classification of phenols. Phenol, that OH group on a benzene ring. Here only one OH group is present on a benzene ring, hence it is called monohydric phenol. Second one is resorcinol, in which benzene ring contain two OH group, hence it is called dihydric phenol. Third one, trihydric phenol means benzene ring which contain three OH group. Hydroxyphenol is an example of trihydric phenol. And the last one, polyhydric. Polyhydric means benzene ring contain more number of OH group, or we can say more than 3 OH group is present on a benzene ring, then it is called polyhydric phenol. For example, hexaphenol, in which all the 6 carbon atom is satisfied by OH group. Now further classification of alcohol and phenol based on hybridization. First, alcohol containing sp3 hybridized carbon OH bond. In this classification, OH group or hydroxyl group is attached with sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom means at the carbon OH group is present and other three valency is satisfied by single bond. It possesses three subtypes: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol that we discuss one by one. Primary alcohol means OH group is attached with sp3 hybridized carbon that further attached with only one carbon atom. Once again, OH group containing carbon that further attached with only one carbon atom, then it is called primary alcohol. Here all the four valency of OH containing carbon is satisfied by single bond, hence it is called sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Secondary alcohol means OH group containing carbon further attached with two another carbon atom, then it is called secondary alcohol. And the tertiary alcohol, in which OH group containing carbon is further attached with 3 carbon atom, then it is called tertiary alcohol. Next classification, allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol is very most important for board as well as for NEET and GUJCAT exam. Allylic alcohol, alcohol in which hydroxyl group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom and that carbon atom further attached with carbon-carbon double bond, then it is called allylic alcohol. We just simple remember just like this: carbon-carbon double bond attached with a carbon and that carbon further attached with OH group. For example, CH2 double bond CH CH2OH. Here OH group is attached with a carbon that further attached with carbon carbon double bond, hence it is an example of allylic alcohol. Here it is known as allyl alcohol which become primary. In this, OH group containing carbon that directly attach with only one carbon atom, hence it is called primary alcohol. Second example is but3 in 2-ol, and in the same way next example is 2-methyl but3 in to all. In all these three example, we just simple remember OH group attached with sp3 carbon, and that carbon is further attached with carbon-carbon double bond. Next classification is benzylic alcohol. When OH group or hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, and that carbon is further attached with aromatic ring, then benzylic alcohol is obtained. Simple, we can remember aromatic ring attached with carbon, and further that carbon is attached with OH group. Here all the four valency of carbon is satisfied by single bond, hence it is called sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Few examples are there: benzyl alcohol, in which OH group attached with a carbon and that carbon is further attached with benzene ring. Few more examples are there: 1-phenyl ethanol and 2-phenyl propane 2-ol. Here in 1-phenyl ethanol, OH group containing carbon get first position, so we can write 1-phenyl. Total number of carbon in a long chain is 2, hence it is ethane, and due to presence of OH group it is called ol. So that 1-phenyl ethanol. And the same way in 2-phenyl propane 2-ol, OH group is present on a second carbon, and that second carbon is also contain benzene ring, so it can 2-phenyl and 2-ol. Total number of carbon is 3, hence it is called propane. The final answer is 2-phenyl propane 2-ol. Now next classification, that is sp2 hybridized carbon atom which contain OH group. When OH group is directly attached to carbon-carbon double bond, then this type of compound is obtained. Simple, remember OH is directly attached with carbon-carbon double bond. Further two types are there: vinylic alcohol and phenols. Vinylic alcohol means OH group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. For example, CH2 double bond CHOH, it is known as a vinyl alcohol which become unstable. Here OH group in vinyl alcohol is directly attached with carbon-carbon double bond. Second one, phenols, means OH group is attached to directly benzene ring. For example, phenol. Second one is catechol, means it contains two OH group that present on a benzene ring on a ortho position. Third one is a quinol. It is also known as a hydroquinone, means two OH group is present on a benzene ring on a para position. This compound is very most important for MCQ, for board as well as Gujket exam, and it is already asked in a board exam. Next topic, that classification of ethers. Two types of ethers are there: simple or symmetrical ether, and the second one, mixed or unsymmetrical ether. We will discuss one by one. Simple or symmetrical ether, these are the ether in which two alkyl or two aryl group attached to oxygen atom are same. When two same alkyl or when two same aryl group is attached to either side of oxygen, then it is called simple or symmetrical ether. For example, CH3O CH3 means dimethyl ether. Here both the side of oxygen is satisfied by same group, that is methyl group. One more example is diethyl ether, means CH3CH2O CH2CH3. Here both the side of oxygen is satisfied by ethyl group, hence it is also example of simple or symmetrical ether. Simple, remember simple ether or symmetrical ether means both the side of oxygen atom is satisfied by same group. Next one, that is mixed or unsymmetrical ether, means two different group is present on either side of oxygen atom. For example, ethyl methyl ether, CH3O CH2 CH3. On the left side of oxygen methyl group is present, while on the right side of oxygen ethyl group is present. So we can say that Both the valency of oxygen is satisfied by different group, hence it is an example of mixed or unsymmetrical ether. One more example is there, C6H5OCH3 means methyl phenyl ether. Here on a one side of oxygen methyl group is present, and on another side of oxygen phenyl group C6H5 group is present, hence it is an example of mixed or symmetrical ether. In this topic, one MCQ is already asked in a Gujket exam. Then find out the symmetrical or simple ether among given example. So we have to give the answer for that. Thank you.